Hey, Sigma Wolf here, and today I'm going to talk about loving nature. So, nature is what gives us life, it is what sustains us and balances us. Nature is important because it is what helps us live. It is also what gives us importance and value. As stewards of creation, we should maintain it and love it. As a single man, we can also do that with our spare time. This task also gives us the opportunity to reflect on our lives. It gives us the opportunity to appreciate God's creation. It can also help us maintain our sanity from this gynocentric world. As a MGTOW, nature gives us tranquility and relaxation. Caring for the earth and nature is a noble task a single man can do for himself and the world. By doing this, we are contributing to the greater good of the planet. In conclusion, caring for nature is a good way of finding meaning and purpose in life. It is a way of contributing for the welfare of the world. Like other great MGTOWs, like Tesla, Wright brothers, we also can help if we care and love nature. We should live in balance in order to be at peace. So thank you for listening to the Sigma Wolf. Thank you.